What up guys, Digital Slang, welcome back. Today we're talking the SoundPeats True Dot, a pair of truly wireless earbuds, in-earbuds. Now, holiday season is here guys, so it's time to start thinking about the gifts we're buying for family and friends. So over the next few weeks, I'm going to try and bring a video once a week, at least once a week. Try and give you the best bang for your buck. These things come in at 30 bucks and they pack a punch when it comes to sound quality, and they're very low profile. A lot of the in-ear buds I don't like because of how they look in your ear. They kind of stand out in your ear, right? But these are very low profile, low key. They kind of lay flush with your ears. Sound quality, they pack a punch. They sound really good for 30 bucks. I'm not comparing them to the Jabra Elites or the Sonys or anything like that, but for 30 bucks, you can't beat the sound quality with these. Low profile. Everything about these is very minimalistic, right? They're very small. The buds themselves are tiny. The charging case is tiny, and we'll get into it. We'll look at it. We'll run it through all the testing, and you guys could judge for yourself. We'll do a mic test. We'll do the usual testing, but the SoundPeats True Dots, I'll drop the link below. It's on Amazon for 30 bucks, and there's a $3 coupon as well, so you can get them for 27 bucks. These would make a fantastic gift for the holidays for somebody. So we'll jump right into it. Let's open them up. We'll take a look at the SoundPeats True Wireless Buds. So SoundPeats True Dots, on the back of the box, we just have a picture of the case. Now these do support Bluetooth 5.0. They are IPX4 water and dust resistant. However, don't submerge these in water, guys. They're not meant for that, and they will be destroyed if you do that. But if you want to work out with them, if you want to go on a jog in the rain, they should be okay. Just be careful. Don't play with them around water. Don't go swimming with them. So the SoundPeats, these are Bluetooth 5.0. You also get this cute little holiday gift card, 40% off your next order if you go to that website. Check it out. Also in the box, a logo update, customer care. We have our True Dot instruction manual. And there we have, that is a tiny, tiny case. That is small, guys. You got the SoundPeats logo on the front. Now there is no LED light anywhere on here. So that's one of the downsides, right? You don't know when these are gonna die, but battery life on here is pretty good. It's about 4 hours of life with the buds and about 16 hours total with the charging case. Now it does matter the volume that you're listening to content on. If you listen to content at 100% volume or very high volume, maybe they'll be about 3.5 hours, but 80%, 70% volume, you get about 4 hours of usage out of them. And again, very small. Everything about these is very small and tiny. The charging is micro USB, and look, it's 2019. I don't expect to see micro USB on much of anything anymore at this point, but we are paying 30 bucks for these. So sometimes they have to cut some things out to get to this price point, and we'll deal with it, right? It's not that big of a deal. Also in the box, we should have our silicone tips in here. It does come with small, medium, and large tips, as well as the charging connector, micro USB. And here are the silicone tips. I believe they do come with the medium size standard on here. We do have these small and large silicone tips. Now let's take a look at the buds themselves. And these are the SoundPeats. Now again, these things are tiny, right? Very small, very minimalistic. And I dig the color. It's like a matte black finish with a little dark charcoal gray on top. But overall, these are going to give you some good sound because you're going to get that seal. You're going to get that good seal in your ear with these. Let's just connect them. We'll see how they connect. We'll see how they sound right away. I'm interested to see how they sound. They should pop. They're going to sound really good, actually. And they do feel snug in the ear. And it actually, because of the seal, the difference in my voice is obvious. And there is a little bit of noise cancellation. Now, it's not active noise cancellation. It's not. These aren't noise canceling earbuds, but because of the seal, you can tell the difference, and that's going to help with the sound. So let's connect these. Now with these aren't like the AirPods or anything else. We got to go into Bluetooth, and it would be the same for Android. If you go into Bluetooth, SoundPeats True Dots, we are connected. There is a voice in your ear that says connected. Now we're going to go right into sound, and see how these things sound. So look, sound quality on these things are really good for 30 bucks. I'm already going to recommend these just based on the sound quality alone. There is some bass. You can hear everything. It's a nice sound. It's crystal clear. It's very airy. I hear people say that all the time. It's very airy. And it's the perfect term for buds that sound like this. You can hear that kind of, I don't know, it's just, you can hear that kind of space between the sound and what you're actually listening to, and it's not overwhelming. It's not going to make you tired of listening to these. It's not going to get you fatigued, right? You're not going to feel that, all right, I got to take these out for a little bit because it's just too much. It's never going to give you a headache. It's just a good sound. It's got some bass to it. I can get lost in these if I was working, and I like the sound. And for 30 bucks, it's a steal. I'm going to tell you right now, it's a steal. These are worth 30 bucks, hands down, not even a question. But we're still going to do all the testing. We're going to do a mic test, and we will hear how they sound. What up, guys? This is the mic test for the SoundPeats, the trudots, another pair of in-ear buds. Let me know how the mic sounds, guys. Hoping it sounds pretty good. But let me know. So sound quality is very good for 30 bucks. You can't beat it. The mic test, you guys let me know in the comments below how the mic sounds. So touch controls, the way they work on these, 2 taps on the right bud should play and pause. 2 taps on the left should activate your voice assistant. If you hold for 2 seconds on the right, it should skip to the next track. And on the left, if you hold, it should go back to the previous track. Let's try them out really quick. We'll play some music. 2 taps right side. Pauses. Plays. And it's instant. Works very well. 2 taps left side should activate our voice assistant. Hey Siri, what do you think of Android? It is my opinion that counts, Siri. Music is playing again. We will touch and hold to try and go to the next track. Watch the phone. Goes to the next track. Do it again. Goes to the next track. Now we'll touch and hold on the other side. Goes back to the previous track. Touch controls work, and I actually like how they have that set up. I like just touching and holding where it goes to the next track or back to the previous track. I like that better than tapping 3 times. Tapping 3 times, you can kind of get ear fatigue when you do that on the AirPods. So I like the difference here. I like the touch controls on here. And you don't have to tap real hard. They are very sensitive. So I like that. Touch controls work really well. Next test, let's check the latency. See if there's lag between audio and video. We will go into YouTube. We'll play a video and see if there is any delay between audio and video. So no delay between audio and video. So there's a lot of good things with these, and at 30 bucks, I do recommend them. They are very good. So we did a mic test. There is no in-ear detection. Touch controls do work very well. You can answer and end phone calls also from your touch control. You can use your voice assistant to raise and lower the volume as well. IPX4 water resistant. Sound quality, I have no complaints with the sound quality on these for 30 bucks. None whatsoever. Very low profile, very small, minimalistic. Look at the case. I mean, the case is tiny, right? It's just a tiny little case. If you want to give somebody a nice gift, a nice pair of buds for the holidays, this might be a really good pickup for you guys. So let me know what you guys think. This is the SoundPeats, the trudots, another pair of wireless in-ear buds. Does come with a bunch of different tips for a better seal, which will help with the sound. I didn't even try the other tips. I might even get a better seal, which will give me a better sound, but sound quality is pretty damn good, man. I'm not gonna lie. For 30 bucks, it's really good. Battery life is decent, 4 hours, 16 hours with the case. Overall, I do recommend these guys. It's a good pickup for 30 bucks. For 27 bucks with the coupon, it's a good pickup. Let me know what you guys think. That's it for the video, guys. We'll be back this week. I got a bunch of videos in line coming up. Again, a lot of holiday videos coming up so we can try and find the best deals at the best price. We want the bang for our buck, guys. We work hard for our money, so we want to get some good things. And for the holidays, we want to give out some nice things. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. SoundPeats, I'll leave the link below. You guys can go check them out on Amazon. Enjoy your night. We'll be back soon. Peace.